Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all will be fit and fine at home and doing your studies also. Okay, so children, today we are going to start our new chapter, and the name of chapter is Adaptation in Plants. Adaptation in Plants. First of all, we will try to understand the meaning of the chapter. What is the meaning of chapter? What is the meaning of adaptation? That I will tell you. And what we will study in this chapter, beta, we will study the types of plant in this chapter. How many types of plants are there? And we will also try to understand about the plants of grass family, and we will read about some interesting plant. Okay, apart from the types of plant, there are some more interesting plants in the nature which we will study in this chapter. So let's read it. So children, plants grow everywhere almost, you can see on the earth surface. If you will see around, there are different kind of plants and they are growing at different places. They can be found near the coastal region. They can be found in the desert also. They can be found in the plain also. They can be found in marshy areas also. What do you mean by marshy areas? Marshy area, the area which is full of mud and sticky clay and water portion. जो स्टिकी क्ले सॉइल रखता है और जिसमें वाटर मिक्स होती है, जिसको आप दलदल बोलते हो, इन दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन सी द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्लांट. Okay, so you can see in the nature different kinds of plants, and in this chapter we will study about which kind of plant grows in which areas. कौन से एरिया में कौन सा प्लांट ग्रो करता है, हम उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So, and here the question arises, how these plants grow, beta? Because every plant has its own place to grow. Means if you will see that lotus plant, it grows in water only. And if you will think that can I grow the lotus on the land, so it would not be possible. ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. क्यों नहीं हो सकता बेटा? क्योंकि वो एक वाटर प्लांट है, वो वाटर में ही उगता है. अगर आप सोचे कि उसको हम निकाल के हम लैंड पे उगा दें, सो इट कैन नॉट ग्रो ऑन द लैंड, बिकॉज द नेचुरल प्लेस ऑफ लोटस इज वाटर. उसका जो नेचुरल प्लेस है वो वाटर है, इसलिए वो वाटर में ही एग्जैक्टली ग्रो कर सकता है. एंड इफ यू विल सी द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मैंगो प्लांट, बैनियन प्लांट, अगर आप ये ट्री इनके एग्जाम्पल लो और इनको अगर वाटर में उगाने की कोशिश करेंगे, सो विल यू बी एबल टू ग्रो देयर? नो. सो एवरी प्लांट हैज देयर ओन नेचुरल प्लेस टू ग्रो. जो उनका नेचुरल प्लेस है वो वहीं ग्रो करते हैं. And here we will try to understand the habitat. What is habitat? The place where a plant grows naturally. एक ऐसा प्लेस जहाँ पर एक प्लांट जो होता है वो नेचुरली ग्रो करता है, वो उसका हैबिटेट होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड इट्स हैबिटेट. ओके, एंड नाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ अडेप्टेशन. अडेप्टेशन का मीनिंग क्या है? दैट some kind, like in the situation is like that plants have to adapt some changes. कुछ ऐसे environment में changes होते हैं जिसको animals को भी plants को भी survive करना पड़ता है. If they would not survive, they would not change their behavior, so maybe they can be die. Okay, उनका जो species है वो खत्म हो जाता है. So some changes which are environment and the plants and animals ऑक्यूपाई दोज चेंजेस, उनको वो अपने बिहेवियर में शामिल कर लेते हैं. दोज चेंजेस आर कॉल्ड एज अडेप्टेशन. ओके, सो द चेंजेस विच हेल्प अ प्लांट, जो एक प्लांट को हेल्प करता है टू सर्वाइव इन इट्स हैबिटेट, उसके हैबिटेट में सर्वाइव करने के लिए जो चेंजेस होते हैं, उसके बिहेवियर में जो चेंजेस होते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अडेप्टेशन. उसको बोलते हैं अडेप्ट करना. मीन्स किसी भी प्लांट को उसके हैबिटेट में अगर लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए सर्वाइव करना है, तो जो उसके एनवायरनमेंट में चेंजेस होते हैं वो उन चेंजेस को क्या करता है? अडेप्ट करता है, उसको अपने बिहेवियर में ऐड कर लेता है. दोज काइंड ऑफ चेंजेस आर बेसिकली नोन एज अडेप्टेशन. ओके, उसको बोलते हैं अडेप्ट करना, किसी भी चीज़ को अडेप्ट करना. तो यहाँ हम इस चैप्टर में अडेप्टेशन इन प्लांट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि प्लांट्स ने किस प्लेस के लिए कौन कौन सी चीज़ें अडेप्ट की हुई हैं. We will study about that. Okay, so let's start this chapter, and first of all you should know the types of plants. How many types of plants are there? Types of plants. Plants are basically of two types, beta. The first one is terrestrial plant and the second one is aquatic plants. Okay, terrestrial plants, plants which grow on the land. Plants which grow on the land. ऐसे प्लांट्स जो सिर्फ लैंड पे ग्रो करते हैं, लैंड पे उगने वाले जो प्लांट्स होते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड एज टेरेस्ट्रियल. यहाँ टेरेस्ट का मतलब होता है लैंड. ओके, सो द प्लांट्स व्हिच ग्रो ऑन द लैंड दे आर कॉल्ड एज टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट्स एंड द प्लांट्स व्हिच ग्रोस on and in the water. On and in water, those plants grow, they are called as aquatic plants. So how many types of plants are there? Basically two types of plants are there. First one is terrestrial plants, second one is aquatic plant. Terrestrial plants, plants that grow on the land, they are called as terrestrial plant, and aquatic plants, plants that grow in or on the water, they are called as aquatic plants. And now first of all we will study about the terrestrial plants only. Firstly, we will complete this portion which kind of terrestrial plants are there, because land के जो portions होते हैं there are different kinds of landforms. So we will study about this. Firstly, we will study about terrestrial plants. So what are terrestrial plants, beta? Plants that grow on the land, they are called as terrestrial plants. And terrestrial plants are found everywhere. Terrestrial plants are found in the plain, they are found in the desert, they are found in the wet areas where heavy rainfall is there. So in different places we are getting different plants. So one by one we will study about. Plants are found in plains, plants are found in desert, they are found on mountains, they are found in marshy areas, they are found in coastal regions, coastal areas, coastal regions, and they are also found the place where heavy rainfall, means rainforests are there. In all these places terrestrial plants are found, and one by one we will study about these. So firstly we will study about the plants which are found in plain area. What are the specialty, means you can say which kind of adaptation plants are occupying here. कौन से adaptations यहाँ होते हैं? If we will talk about the plain area, there is extreme hot and extreme cold. Both the seasons we can face here. यहाँ गर्मी भी होती है और सर्दी भी होती है. So here the plants which are found, they can survive in extreme hot also and they can survive in extreme cold also. Okay, and these plants are basically having so many branches on it. इनके ऊपर जो branches होते हैं, हम किसके बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं? Plain के बारे में. Okay, they can face all the seasons. Secondly, they have many branches. इनके जो trees होते हैं, जो plants होते हैं यहाँ पर, उसके जो branches होते हैं उसमें बहुत सारे branches होते हैं. And throughout the summer season they can tolerate the heat, and at last in October there is autumn season. That time their leaves can be shade. Okay, उनका जो leaves है वो shade होना start होते हैं and they can be fall down, and the new leaves will come in spring season. स्प्रिंग सीजन में इनका आना स्टार्ट होता है. सो इन ऑटम their leaves would be fall down, and in spring they are growing in the new leaves. Okay, so all these adaptation, the plants which are here, they have to tolerate it here, and then after they can survive here. Okay, so इस टाइप उनको करना पड़ता है. Then after in desert, and which plants are found in the plain area, beta? The examples: shisham, people you can say, mango you can say, neem you can say. All these plants are plain areas plant. Now we will study about plants which are found in desert. In desert, basically cactus. Cactus is found in desert. And what is the specialty of cactus, beta? अगर आप cactus में देखेंगे, it has long roots. Cactus has long roots and their leaves, flashy leaves, is actually stem. Okay, and their spines are basically working as a leaves. Okay, so they are making food for the plant, flashy stem, and these spines does not allow this plant to reduce more water. Does not allow to reduce water. ओके, ये जो स्पाइंस है ये उसको अलाउ नहीं करते हैं कि जो वाटर है वो रिड्यूस हो जाए. इट कैन बी स्टोर्ड हियर and these long roots help the plant to absorb water and mineral from the deep inside the earth. Okay, so these are the adaptations which plants are following here. Now we will study about mountains. What happens on mountains, beta? On mountains basically cold climate is there. वहाँ पर ज़्यादातर cold climate होता है. So here this kind of plant is found. उनका जो shape होता है mountain में वो कुछ इस तरीके का होता है. Conical trees होते हैं यहाँ पर and their leaves are like this because sometimes their snowfall is also there. So these leaves allow the rain and the snow to fall down. नीचे गिरने में ये help करते हैं because their structure is like this. So the water and snow can easily slide off from these leaves. Okay, so this is main. The structure of the plants is like this in mountains because there always cold climate is there, snowfall is there. So these leaves allow the water to slow down. Okay, and which kind of plants are found here? यहाँ पर basically होते हैं आपके fir, pine, cedar. Okay, these plants are found here. Now we will study about plants which are found in marshy area. Marshy area में कैसे plants होते हैं? अब marshy area बेटा, this area has sticky and clayey soil. This area has sticky and clayey soil. So plants would not be able to breathe properly in this area. इस soil में plants के जो roots होते हैं, they are not able to breathe properly. So what happens? Some of the roots are growing above the soil. So those plants are having their roots above the soil, and which only one plant can grow in marshy area. The name of that plant is mangroves. And the roots which are growing above the soil to breathe especially, those roots are called as breathing roots. Okay, so breathing roots are found in mangroves, and mangroves can survive in marshy area because it has adapted in the marshy area only. उसने अपने आप को adapt कर लिया है marshy area में, तो वो वहीं grow करता है. Okay, now we will study about the coastal region. कोस्टल रीजन में कौन से प्लांट्स ग्रो करते हैं बेटा? आपने भी देखे होंगे कोकोनट. इसका क्या था हमारा एग्जाम्पल? मैंग्रोव, बिकॉज इट हैज ब्रीदिंग रूट्स. ओके, कोकोनट. अब कोकोनट ग्रोस नियर द कोस्टल रीजन. कोकोनट ग्रोज नियर द कोस्टल रीजन्स. देयर हाइट इज वेरी लॉन्ग. वो बहुत लंबे होते हैं. सेकेंडली, दिस प्लांट ग्रोज इन सॉल्टी वाटर. बेटा जो सॉल्टी वाटर जहाँ पर होता है उसने अपने आप को अडेप्ट कर लिया. इट कैन ओनली ग्रो इन दैट एरिया ओनली. ओके, सो इन कोस्टल रीजन कोकोनट प्लांट इज ग्रोइंग as it is very tall and it can survive in salty water. It has been adapted itself in salty water. Now we will study about in rainforest. In rainforest means जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है तो वहाँ क्या होता है, इन रेन फॉरेस्ट देयर इज hot and humid, and always the climate is wet, which has rain always there, which receives more rainfall. There are so many plants growing, okay, and the different plants are growing there. Different plants are growing there. Some are small, some are very big. So different kind of plants can grow, क्योंकि जहाँ बारिश ज़्यादा होती है वहाँ हर तरीके का प्लांट ग्रो कर सकता है. So maximum rainfall जहाँ होती है there every kind of plant can grow. And what we have studied today, beta, the different kind of plant in plain area plant we have studied, in desert, in mountain, on mountains, in marshy area, in coastal areas, and in rainforest. So what do you have to read today? Today you have to read this chapter well. आपको ये chapter बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना है, and you have to study about one by one which kind of plants are growing in plain area, which kind of plants are growing in desert area, which kind of plants are growing in mountain area, then marshy area, then coastal areas, and then rainforest. And all these plants, those plants are found in these areas. All these plants are terrestrial plants. So what we have studied today, आज हमने किसके बारे में पढ़ा? आज हमने टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट्स के बारे में पढ़ा है, ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू रीड इट वेल. आपको बहुत अच्छे से इसको रीड करना है आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू.